Welcome everyone, my name is Michael. Today, we're gonna have a little fun with an old favorite. We're gonna do some ribbon pours, okay? With just slight experimentation. Because you guys know, I'm now on the hunt for my perfect white. The white that's gonna give me everything I need. I'm sometimes not as happy with the whites that are just straight out of the tube. I think I'm going to try to just keep mixing until I get the white that I want. And today's white is going to be a fun one because we're going to see what's going to happen. Also, I want to go right in to these colors because this is one of those pours today where I can just lay the ribbons down and go right into tilting. We don't have to go in between. So let's start right over here. They got some really nice colors. And this right here is Black Flash. Okay? Then we have Rich Espresso, Sand Yellow. This is a Lime Green. Then we have Olive Green Flash. This over here is Viridian. And then we have a Phthalo Blue Flash. Okay, that's a slight mix, all right? And now, what I want to discuss here, let's come back and grab this. This right here is a hybrid, okay? This is my normal pouring medium, which is 70-30, okay, flow throttle water, okay, so that's in there. Then I have the satin enamels, okay, Deco Art satin enamel, that's in there. So we got part of the cloud mixture now, and then the other part of the cloud mixture, which is the Artist Loft Level 1, so that's in here too. But I broke up the way I have this in here. So basically, it is one part of the satin enamel, one part of the Artist Loft Level 1, and that is to 2 parts of my normal pouring medium. So we're going to try that out. I kind of want to keep it normal consistency as the rest of the paints. This is not a thick pillow. This is going to go in with the paints. So we're going to try that today. All right, that was enough talking. Let's get right into that pour so we can get this down. All right, everyone. With all that being said, we're going to go into nice music. And you know what? I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, everyone, we're coming down here, and this is just way too much white. Woo, man, that's a lot of white. Wow. Wow, you would have thought that this whole painting was white, and I just put very minimal ribbons in there, but wow, holy cow. Okay. All right, so that white is obviously too much. Okay, here we go. I'm just trying to get her centered first. All right, here we go. I'm very dirty. Hold on. Let's clean up. Wow, that is a super, super white painting. But we're going to torch. Let's see what happens, okay? That's a shame, too, because I really did love those colors. And really, the one color that stands out almost more than that big patch of blue there is a lot of that. This is actually this black flash right here. And that stands out quite a bit. Let's torch and see what happens. That's crazy. That is just a lot. Whew. There's a lot of us that do not like this much white, and this is a lot. So let's just see what happens if I torch a little and see if we get anything. Yeah. So see, when you don't, that is not the full cloud mixture right there. That was just a little hybrid action, and I don't like it as much, so we don't have to do that again. But that's why we try things out here. I like to try things out here. That way you guys don't have to do them at home if they fail. So if something like this fails here, we don't, you know, that way you guys know, don't do that. So don't do that. Let's not make that mixture. We'll go back again. We're going to get another mixture going. I do see some cool little cells popping up. So, you know, you never know. We don't know what's going to happen in the next little while. So basically what I'm going to do here is I'm obviously going to go off camera for a little bit. And then before I even go in for this close-up later on, when I go to film it, I'll wait to see what develops. So that way we get a little bit more developed painting. All right? So, that being said, guys, thank you for hanging out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for seeing what to do, what not to do. This is one of those cases where it's just way too much white. I would have rather just a little bit of white. I'm kind of a little disappointed in myself because going in, I didn't want to use that much white. I should have known better. But live and learn. This is a learning situation for all of us. And with that being said, guys, stay for that close-up. I will see you later. Bye.